And you might notice I'm on my Harley 6478 Roblox. No, that doesn't really matter. So you just go. This is how to make your wait. Okay, so this is how you make other YouTube channels. So like if you're on your mum's account, this is how to make your own channel. This video is for Alex or Stacy Peterson 590. Yeah, that's Alex, my friend from school. So you just search up YouTube Studio. And then go here. You see, this is my channel. It doesn't really matter what channel it's on. Just go settings. I think basic. Manage YouTube account. And go and add or manage your channels. This is weird Stepney Greencoat channel I made. I just made that because I got bored. Lucas Sterling. I don't know why I made that. I just made that to troll as a troll account. Yeah, I just made that for a troll account. There, that's just for a troll. That's why I have it. Yeah, go to create a channel. Go here, then go desktop site. Create your channel name. Just add channel name. Like, I'll just add. Yeah, just do that. I'ma just make it. I can't. Wait, I'm thinking of a name. What could I name it? I'm gonna name it the whatever the hell that says. Then go here, create. No, making sure it's not. And then you go here. And see? I made channel. So that's how you make your own channel. I just made channel because I'm not gonna use this channel. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this YouTube account now, so bye guys!